welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you must have guessed already from the title of this video, it's gonna be a makeup tutorial. Yay! Finally I'm filming a makeup tutorial. So Rakshabandhan is around the corner and I thought, why not film a video which would like make you look little glam on that day, because obviously it's our day and our brothers are gonna gift us a lot of things, hopefully. I do not have real brothers, but I still celebrate. But as you guys know, because of the recent death in my house, I don't think we are going to celebrate it that well. I vlogged Rakshabandhan of last year and that was my first ever vlog on this channel. I will link it on my channel on the screen right now, so if you want to watch, you can go and watch it after this video. So I have come up with this eye look which is like a brown neutral, I would say, and it's pretty easy. Might be looking very complex, but it's not. I've just used 2 eyeshadows, 2 brushes, and it's a super easy makeup look. Dewy skin, normal nude lipstick, and I have not gone heavy on the base. Like, you can still see my under eye circles and some marks on my skin, which is totally fine. I finished this makeup look in like, I think, 20 minutes, but because I was filming, I took that much time. But if you keep quiet and do not talk to anybody and you're not busy adjusting the focus, you can achieve this look in like max 15 minutes. So yeah, if you like what you see so far, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have washed my face. I have not moisturized yet, so I'm gonna moisturize my face with the aloe vera gel. So let me know, how do you guys celebrate Rakshabandhan? To be very honest, हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा बड़ा ceremony नहीं होता, like, but because I don't have real brothers, so yeah, I'm gonna use this foundation. This is by NYKAA SKINGENIUS. I'm in the shade 02 Almond Beige. And I'm gonna use my fingers because, as I said in the introduction, we are gonna keep this makeup tutorial very easy and something which you can do in like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So yeah.
So as you guys saw, there was construction work going on and it was very noisy, so I had to switch over to a voiceover. I am putting the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer and I am concealing my under eyes. Now I have taken the SKINGENIUS foundation and I am gonna dot it all over my face, and I'm gonna blend it using my fingers only. Now we have to set the face and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Fresh powder for that, using my stippling brush. Let's move on to the eyes, and I'm gonna use this beautiful palette from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna pick up this transition shade on a very fluffy brush and I'm gonna put it in my crease. These eyeshadows are really pigmented, guys. I really liked the palette and it's just for, I guess, 500 rupees, so definitely check this palette out. Repeating the same on the other eye. Then I'm gonna use this rusty red color and I'm gonna put it on my lid, like in the center half and in the inner corner. But later I realized that the pigmentation was not quite good with the brush, so I picked it up with my finger, and as you can see, the pigmentation is quite better. Blending is the key, guys. As you can see, I'm blending both my eyes a lot. Blending makes sure that your eye look looks perfect.
Okay, so the eyes are pretty much done and I'm pretty happy with it. I wanted to go for something which will contrast this yellow which I'm wearing. And the common mistake what girls do is that you know, they try to match their outfit with their eyeshadow always. Don't do that. I mean, it's fine if you do that for shadis, you know, when you have actual pretty colors, but obviously if you imagine if you wear yellow eyeshadow on your eyes for Rakshabandhan, like, yeah, so that's a mistake I always see girls doing, so don't do that. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to my brows because I just can't see myself like this. I look so bare. I look so funny with the broken mirror, yeah. So as you guys can see, I am focusing mainly on the outer corners, and do not drag this pencil very dark in your in the start of your brow. Like, keep it very light strokes. Can you guys see? Yeah, keep it very light. Oh yes, can you just see the difference? So whenever you go wrong, you think you've gone wrong, just take a clean spoolie and just brush through your brows. It will just make things a little better. This is how my eyes are looking so far, so good. I think now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and a lot of you guys were asking how I do my wing liners, so here you go. So can you guys see I have hooded eyelids, like my brow bone comes down to my eyes, like on my lids. So a lot of people have that issue. So if you also have hooded eyelids like me, what you can do, what you have to keep in mind is, because your eyelid folds right here, your wing will also fold. So try to make the wing outside your lid. Are you guys getting what I'm saying? Like, you'll see what I'm doing right now. See, I have flicked it outside where the crease is there, and now just take it inside. It's so hard to talk when you make your wing. Don't make the inner line as thick as what we have made on the outer corner. This is how my eyeliner looks. The cheeky blush, the only blush I have. Now we are going to do our highlight. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Duo Face Stick. So this highlight is really natural, like nothing fancy. I like to put it on my nose as well. Let's put it on this cheek. Alright, I'm gonna use this lipstick by Miss Claire in the shade 17 Beige. Okay guys, so I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. This was like my first ever makeup tutorial. Let me know how you liked it, and yeah, happy Rakshabandhan to everybody. I hope you celebrate really well, and all you girls out there, I hope you get a lot of money from your brothers. So yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.